children. This video is for infinite limits, but you know how last one was graphical? This one is algebraic. This corresponds with the second lesson from week 2 on your Khan Academy. Not second lesson, first lesson, but it's the second assignment. So if you're struggling with that second assignment, I hope this video helps. It says, let f of x equals 3 over x. Select the correct description of the one-sided limit of f at x equals 0. Note, you may need a calculator. I'm going to use a calculator. All right, so check it out. Here's my function. It is f of x equals 3 over x. I need to find the limit from the left and the limit from the right. Because if I scroll down and look at all my options right here, for A, B, C, and D, it's asking me to find the limit from the right, and the limit from the left. Left. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. So, so we're interested at x equals 0. So when x approaches 0 from the left and when x approaches 0 from the right, what I'm gonna do is use a table. Okay, so let's do right first. Left over here. Okay, just to get my number line. Here's 0. I want numbers on the right side of 0, so the right, and numbers on the left side of 0 as well. But working with right, I'm gonna choose x values on the right side. So this is f of x. So I'm gonna start with 1. I'm gonna plug it in right here. Again, I'm gonna use my calculator. Get your calculator ready. So it's 3 over x. So if I plug in 1, it's gonna be 3 over 1. 3 divided by 1 is just 3. Now I'm gonna try 0.1. Notice I'm getting closer and closer to 0. Because I want to get closer to 0. So I'm gonna put 3 divided by 0.1. 3 divided by 0.1. It's gonna give me 30. Now I'm gonna get a number that's even closer to 0. I'm gonna choose 0.01. So I'm gonna put 3 divided by 0.01. 300. Now I'm gonna get even closer to 0 from the right. Right here. I'm gonna put 0.001. And you're probably picking up the pattern. You put 3 divided by 0.001, you'll get 3,000. Now I'm gonna stop right here. You can keep doing this if you want, but I noticed that these numbers keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger in the positive direction. That tells me as x gets closer to 0, y, or f of x, is gonna get closer to infinity. So this is what I'm gonna write. I'm gonna put the limit as x approaches 0 from the right is positive infinity. Now I'm gonna check the left. Let's check the left. Use a different color. I got my x. I got f x. I'm gonna start with -1. Start with -1. So I put 3 divided by -1 in my calculator. That's gonna give me -3. Now I'm gonna get even closer to 0 from the left. Put -0.1. Put 3 divided by -0.1. That should give you -30. I'm going to get even closer from the left. Negative 0.01. That's going to give me negative 300. And you want to get even closer from the left. Put in negative 0.001. I'll give you negative 3,000. So I can tell that as I get closer to 0, but from the left this time, I'm actually getting further and further and further away from 0 towards negative infinity. So I could write the limit as x approaches 0 from the left is negative infinity. Okay, let's see what my options are down here. It's not going to be A. Those will both go to positive infinity. Looks like B. It's going to be positive infinity from the right and negative infinity from the left. Check my other option. All right, let's check it. Hey, we got it right. What? We're so smart. Okay.